In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Outlook app in Windows 11 10 Guide. We'll walk through two safe official ways to get Outlook on your PC, downloading it from Microsoft's website or installing the new Outlook from the Microsoft Store. Both options work on Windows 11 and Windows 10, so choose the one that fits your preference. First, let's cover the browser method. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Outlook page. On that page, look for the button that says Download or the option to try for free. Either choice will lead you to the same installer, and you may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account before the download begins. That's normal and helps verify your license or trial. Once the installer downloads, open the setup file from your browser's downloads. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, select Yes. From here, simply follow the on-screen steps. The installer will guide you through the process and handle the rest, so keep your internet connection active and let it complete. This route is great if you prefer a traditional desktop installer directly from Microsoft's site. Now, if you'd rather use the Microsoft Store, here's the alternative. Open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. In the search bar at the top, type Outlook. From the results, select Outlook for Windows, which is the new Outlook app published by Microsoft. Make sure it's the official listing, then click Install. The store will download and install it automatically, showing you progress along the way. If the store asks you to sign in with your Microsoft account, go ahead and do that to enable the install. This method is simple, keeps the app updated through the store, and is especially convenient on Windows 11. A few quick tips to make things smooth. Use a reliable internet connection during download and installation. If you're on a work or school device, you might need admin permission, so check with your IT administrator if you run into restrictions. And if you don't see the install button in the store, give it a moment to load or make sure the store is up to date. That's it. You can install Outlook either by downloading the installer from Microsoft's official website or by grabbing the new Outlook from the Microsoft Store. Once setup finishes, you're ready to open Outlook from your Start menu and begin using your email and calendar on Windows. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Outlook app.